Your vote will lead to celebrations where? In India or in Pakistan? Asks a newspaper ad that appeared in Mumbai. The ad urges voters to back the Narendra Modi government. The Congress says it violates the Model Code of Conduct.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी का पहली बार नहीं है कि लोकसभा चुनाव हो चाहे विधानसभा चुनाव हो, जब तक भारत पाकिस्तान की बात नहीं करती उसका पेट नहीं भरता है। अब एक नया जुमला लेकर आई है कि अगर मोदी जी भारत में हारेंगे तो पाकिस्तान में जल्लोष होगा, वहां उत्सव मनाया जाएगा। अरे क्यों भाई, मोदी जी हारेंगे तो भारत में उत्सव मनाया जाएगा, भारत में जल्लोष होगा।
For a city that suffered 26/11 and many terror attacks in the past, the issue touches a raw nerve. The Congress too has made a controversial comment, raising questions on the death of Hemant Karkare at the hands of terrorist Ajmal Kasab.
आमच्या यांचा खून झाला हेमंत करकरे साहेबांचा, ती गोळी कसाबच्या बंदुकीतली नव्हती, कुठल्या अतिरेक्यातली नव्हती, तर ती गोळी एका पोलीस अधिकाऱ्याची होती, आरएसएस समर्पित. त्यावेळेस ते पुरावे लपवणारा देशद्रोही कोण असेल तर तो उज्ज्वल निकम आहे.
After the two phases of elections, the BJP has played the Hindutva card in a big way, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself making national security and minority appeasement main calling card.
यहां कांग्रेस मर रही है और वहां पाकिस्तान रो रहा है. कांग्रेस के लिए अब पाकिस्तानी नेता दुआ कर रहे हैं. शहजादे को प्रधानमंत्री बनाने के लिए पाकिस्तान उतावला है. पाकिस्तान और कांग्रेस की ये पार्टनरशिप अब पूरी तरह एक्सपोज हो गई है.
Meanwhile, the BJP in Karnataka has posted social media ads that portray the Congress as giving away quota and funds meant for SC, ST and OBC to Muslim community. The Karnataka police has filed an FIR against BJP President JP Nadda, party's IT cell chief Amit Malviya and State Unit Chief BY Vijayendra for allegedly violating Model Code. The FIR is based on a complaint filed by Congress leader Ramesh Babu.
In Karnataka, they don't reach double digit. Only single digit they will get. Because of that, they are doing all these nonsense things. They don't have common sense. Just like their national leaders, they are also doing the same thing. Even in last assembly elections also, they did the same thing. Ajan, hijab, what they did in 10 years, nothing, zero. Because of that, they are telling Tali and all those other things. It will not run for long days.
The Election Commission had issued notices to the BJP and Congress on complaints against statements by Prime Minister Modi and Rahul Gandhi. The question now is whether the EC should act on its own without waiting for formal complaints from political parties to ensure the political discourse is not marred by alleged hate speech.